He's gonna have to crab a little bit. I like.
Oh yeah.
Right here! Right here! There's your localizer! This will be memorable.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's him.
Yeah, that's the big one.
KLM, yeah.
He's the one everyone's been waiting for.
So, at what point do we all turn around?
We've been coming here for 20 years. We see him. I cannot resist.
Oh, this is.
But I'll tell you something. I have hearing loss from standing underneath that pole.
Oh yeah. From takeoff.